Are you looking for the best solar panel kit? In this video, we will break down the top 4 solar panel kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. Grape Solar GS400. The kit is great for powering small, location-independent consumption systems. An excellent product for relatively low wattage and no included battery bank. Its unique 540 watts off-grid kit boasts minimal maintenance, easy installation and durability. Solar has a lot to prove. Overall, the kit is best for off-grid systems like boats, RVs, cabins, sheds, vehicles and tiny houses. It's not suitable for entire households as it only provides enough power to fuel small appliances and electronic devices. With USB ports and outlets, the system is easy to connect to. This Solar's kit doesn't come with a 12 volts battery bank. This will need to be purchased separately. Otherwise, all essential hardware, including a charge controller, is included. This makes assembly a breeze as you don't need to scramble to find the right parts for installation. At number 2. AccuPower UV11007GD. This solar panel kit contains 2 pieces of monocrystalline panels with 10A charge controller and alligator clips. Additionally, you can also connect to the panel via MC4 connectors to charge the battery faster. To make the solar panel device work effectively, it should be faced directly to the sunlight. It usually works with 2 different batteries at the same time. Plus, the components included in designing the solar panel for home or other appliances are Anderson plug, MC4 connectors, solar charge controller and the junction box with handle, latches, diodes, fuse, crocodile clips, carrying bag and aluminum frame. The performance of this solar panel kit is excellent. The best part of this product is that it can be connected to different components and produces stable power at the output. At number 3. Eco-worthy Qumju SB8. This solar panel kit comes with 8 100-watt solar panels and mounting hardware, charge controller, inverter, and a locking PV combiner box to combine all the solar panels together and only run a single positive and negative wire to the controller. This solar panel kit is great for sheds or small cabins with fridges or other appliances. It includes a pure sine wave inverter designed for off-grid systems. Also, the panel is designed to convert 24V DC electricity to 110V AC and can handle 3000 watts of continuous power and 6000 watt spikes, as appliances can use double or even triple their labeled wattage for a split second when turning on. Do you have a favorite yet? Well, we have one more coming up. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon for instant notifications of our next review. And now back to our list. At number 4. Eco LLC Thai Solar Kit. With this solar panel kit, get 30% general solar tax credit and saving up to 35% of electricity bills per year. This 1.8 kW solar power generates average 7 kilowatt-hours of electricity per day for home. In cloudy days, when the power supply is insufficient, automatically obtain power from your state grid system to supply your load. Corrosion-resistant aluminum frame allows the panels to use for decade, as well as withstand high winds, 2,400 pascals, and snow loads, 5,400 pascals, outdoors. Make full use of all types of building surface that face to the sun and the city, as well as fast and easy installation of solar modules and grid tie inverter. It just needs very low maintenance costs.